Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make this easy motif, very easy motif. For this you can take any colors or shades of colors. As you can see, I have used green and yellow, and here shades of yellow and brown. So both are looking fine. You can take any color of your choice. We will start with chain 4 and join to make a ring. And in this ring we will make 15 double crochets. So in first round we have made 15 double crochets, join to the first double crochet, so in second round we will make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So at the end we will have 30 stitches. In third round we will make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, one double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochet in next stitch, one double crochet in next stitch. In this way we will complete whole round. So third round is also complete, and at the end we have 45 double crochets. In fourth round we will make 2 double crochets in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, again 1 double crochet in next stitch, and then 2 double crochet in next stitch. Then again 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. So in this way we will complete fourth round, and at the end we will have 60 double crochets. In fifth round we will have 75 double crochets by making 2 double crochets in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches, again 2 double crochet in fourth stitch, and we will repeat the round until we get 75 double crochets at the end of fifth round. So in fourth round, 2 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in each of next 2 stitch, and in third stitch we will again make 2 double crochets. So in this way we will complete fourth round. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitch, and then again 2 double crochets. In fifth round we will make 2 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. So 2 double crochet in first stitch and 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. Again 2 double crochet in same stitch, 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. Repeat for the whole round. Now 5th round is also complete. In 6th round we will make these 2 trebles together. 2 trebles together in first stitch, in second stitch again 2 trebles together, and in between these 2 trebles together there are 5 chains, and we will skip 3 stitches in between. Attach the thread in any of the stitch, chain 1 and stretch a little. Now we have to make 2 trebles together. So 1, 2, and in the same stitch 4 loops, work on 2 loops, again work on 2 loops, and leave these 2 loops in the hook only. Again 1, 2, and in the same stitch 5 loops, work on 2 loops, again work on 2 loops, again work on 2 loops only, and last 2 loops. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wind the thread twice and insert in the next stitch. Work on 2 loops at a time. Leave those 2 loops, again wind twice, and in the same stitch 2, 2, 2, and 2. Twice. Skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in 4th stitch again make 2 trebles together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 trebles together in next stitch. Two trebles together, chain 5, 2 trebles together in the next stitch, skip next 3 stitches and 2 trebles together in 4th stitch, chain 5, and in next stitch 2 trebles together. In this way finish the 6th round. Our 6th round is also complete. Now for the 7th round we will make 7 single crochets in this chain 5 space. So attach the yarn and make 7 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now wrap the yarn twice, and in the middle stitch of 3 skipped stitches, in the middle stitch we will make 2 treble together. In next 5 space, chain 5 space, again we will make 7 single crochets. In the second one of these 3 skipped stitches, we will make 2 treble together. And repeat this throughout the 7th round. So our very easy crochet motif is complete. Thanks for watching.